advantage.
Hey guys, it's your boy Targus. I have a rock. There's a boat down there that we want. Ian has fuel. We need to get there, but there's mean people at the boat. So we need to go get the boat. Okay, I need to mute Stu. He's dumb. He's not even playing Rust. Whatever, Geo. Stu's just Geo's brother, right?
What? Geo's playing Rust? What do you mean?
Walrus guy. Isn't that Walrus guy? Bro, why are you Ian, why'd you go that way? Why are you going that way?
Boat here.
But the boat's over here. Why are you going to that boat? That's where the mean people are.
I hit this guy. He's trying to kill me, Tate.
Why are you going to that boat? Go.
I escaped. I'm so lucky.
You are in bad.
I'm so lucky.
Mm.
They got me up to 2 health, bleeding 6.
No.
Ian.
Okay, just.
No, I had a med kit.
Okay, good.
Pick me up, Ian. I've got an MP5.
Pick me up. I'm the videoer. Wait, you killed the guy? You killed the guy who killed me.
Yeah?
And that's my water pipe.
Shot up by an M39. It's over.
But why'd you go near Sat?
Cause this is where An RHIB is.
Oh, bro, our hit video, yeah. Sure.
Who killed you and another guy.
Mean! Are you mean? Are you Hill? Bruh, Hill people. They killed me because they have freaking skin.
I can't put fuel in it. Because there's an arrow in me.
Bruh?
Okay, never mind.
Switch seat.
Autopilot's on. I'm going in the autopilot on. No, nothing in the box. There's literally nothing in this boat. It's okay, I have nothing.
Wait, be quiet. I'm getting shot at by an LR, Explo ammo.
Bruh, big brain?
I'm gonna kill this LR guy. LR dead? Oh, he was super loaded?
Bro, there's literally freaking 2 bears.
I mean, shot by like an MP5 or something like.
Oh, something.
No, the bear's going for me. Ah! No!
Of course, it used to be. It's just terrible.
Run.
Epic.
I made it. No, what? Since when can bears climb rocks? What?
Since their AI was improved.
That's not an improvement.
I know. It makes their AI.
I see a guy on RHIB.
It makes them unjukeable.
Oh my gosh, kill him! I'm kidding. It's me. Who else would the
Oh.
RHIB guy be?
Well, I thought you died to the. When he
Oh.
said it was over, you meant you were gonna die, not you are dead. Okay.
Big brain.
Oh, Tate, you're here.
Yeah, I know. I was right next to you with the bears. Oh, kill that naked. He's probably gonna get a crate and kill you all. Good.
Everyone in. Tate, you can drive.
Okay. Oh, bro, I'm still recording, right? Yes. This is epic.
Get in, Tate. Get in.
I was checking if I was recording or not. Okay. Okay, this naked's gonna get in.
Ian, switch seats. I'm gonna give you the LR.
The
Yeah, I know.
Okay, where are we going, boys? Where are we going? I am your driver. I need a navigator. Where are we going, boys? Okay, wait. I'll go where the dial says. Okay, so the dial says turn. Okay.
Tate, stop turning. Bro, secret breach.
The dial still says turn.
Should I just kill Tate?
If he doesn't start doing it.
Kill the dial. Okay, this dial says go forwards. So you gotta follow the dials. Okay, you gotta go for that dial, then this dial. What does that dial say? Okay, that dial says do nothing. So I'll just keep going forward.
Tate,
Ian, stop.
Okay, this next dial has a massive margin that I can dial in, so I can.
This dial says kill Tate unless he starts doing what we say.
Tate, go along the beach.
No, then we die.
Like, no, just stop going out far. We're gonna fucking die. We're gonna just be killed instantly.
No, it's really far out where you get killed instantly. I should know that. I went there. Well, I mean, I escaped. We don't get killed instantly. We escape. You dumbo.
Whoa, Tate. Don't call me a dumb.
Nope, I'll keep calling you a dumbo. Okay, now it's time to go back to the first dial, which says to go forward.
Yeah?
Forward or a slight turn, so I'll keep on this dial.
Got no audio. I mean, you're left clicking with a gun out, Ian.
No, it's my touchpad. I was just aiming it naked. Then I
Oh.
Okay, now the dial says turn this way. Okay. But there's guys! There's guys! Ah, no! No!
You're far, man. Everyone died.
Why did you listen to the dial? The dial was lying. There
Okay,
was-
you guys said to go to Secret Beach. Okay.
I went the north one, not the south one.
Yeah, dumb.
Okay, well that went real well. Okay, let's go see car now.
Yeah.